So now we got our first draft of the first chapter done.
Yes.
So now we don't keep going. We want to now edit the book. So why do you think editing is important?
So we just like overlook everything, double check it, make sure it's how we want it.
Exactly, because what can mistakes, bad grammar, spelling, if a customer buys a book and it has all of that, do you think they're going to be happy?
No, I wouldn't.
Exactly. So then that could leave
Bad reviews?
Bad reviews, and bad reviews are horrible.
Yeah.
So we want to avoid that as much as possible. Now, we have a prompt here that basically helps turn Claude into a senior editor. And it's going to go through this, what it just wrote. It's going to read the whole thing, and then it's going to build an editing plan and then work through it with us. Now, we spent some time creating this prompt. Should we let everybody have it?
Yes, of course.
All right, so we're gonna put this editing prompt in the description of this video so you can just grab it and you can make your books better and not upload AI crap to Amazon.
Be one of the experienced AI users.
Exactly. All right, let's hit enter and let's see how it goes.
Return.
Yeah.
So it says, let me write the manuscript first.
Okay, so here's our complete editorial report. Okay, so editing plan. So stage 1, redundancy and repetition audit. Okay, flag every repeated idea, phrase, concept. Level 2, line level clarity, tone and voice consistency. Stage 3, stage 4, flow structure. Stage 5, final pass. All right, so get away from spawn. Said 3 times, 3 different ways. Okay.
Spawning your spawn.
Which almost, oh, this is really good. This is really good. This is really good. All right, cool. So we're not gonna read every single one. You can do that here by pausing the video if you really want. So let's say, yeah, go ahead and give us a clean edited version immediately.
Bam.
Now, obviously, we would spend a little bit more time reading each individual edit and making sure it makes sense because it's still AI. It could still make some mistakes, even with it doing the edits. And it might grab something that we might necessarily want to keep because we understand the concept better or the way it needs to be written or something. So just keep that in mind as you're doing it. But for the sake of the video, we're just going to assume everything, all the edits that it's suggesting are good edits.
Yeah.
And we're going to go from there. So now it's doing some crazy coding and it's creating a clean version of your new book.
Okay.
Okay, so we're done, or it's done. 8 edits applied, 0 voice rewrites.
Nice.
Excellent. All right. And so at part 1, ending, and that's so cool. All right.
So that's everything it changed?
Yeah. So these are all the changes and why it did it. So that's really, really cool.